Not all door handles are created equal. Some are crafted to welcome blessings. Introducing Artisticks' exclusive collection of handcrafted brass Pooja door handles. From the graceful royal peacock handle to the divine Ganesha trunk handle, the elegant lotus bud handle, the timeless temple pole handle, and the artistic swan collection. Every design is handcrafted to add beauty, devotion, and luxury to your puja room. Crafted from premium brass with intricate detailing, each handle is built to last for generations. Visit the Artisticks Gallery